Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset Netflix recommendations. So if you want to wipe your viewing slate or viewing history in Netflix, the secret is to getting a personalized relevant feedback is by wiping your watch history, and this is how you can do it step by step. So first, you need to know that you cannot do this in the Netflix TV or mobile app. So you must use a web browser, whether it's on mobile or desktop. You can just open netflix.com on your browser like this. And here you can just go to the account. Click on your profile and go to the account settings. Scroll down and tap on manage profiles and choose the profiles that you want to reset its recommendation. So for example, this one is right here. You can scroll down again and go to the viewing activity. And in here, you can just scroll down again and click on hide all to reset all of the recommendations. Now click on yes again to confirm. So just like that, now your Netflix recommendation will be reset. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.